I really do not know who's going to be the next president. Ang gusto ko lang masiguro kasi na malaman ninyo, pag hindi natin hinto ang graft and corruption, and if there is no law and order sa ating bayan, even if you give the Philippines another 20 years with the same setup, with the same, the Constitution itself is tailored for corruption. Hindi ko na sabihin kung baski saan, but ayaw ko naman mag-insulto ng tao, ng mga tao. Pero kung ganon ang palakad ng gobyerno, and sometimes the budget is delayed because they are still fighting how much will be given to who, at dinidelay nila. Noong last budget, nalugi tayo doon. It had a very sad impact on our GDP. And marami ng pera, wala hindi naman umiikot. So there was really no money. Practically, the state of ship was sailing in still waters. So, ayawan ko sa inyo na yan. Pero ganito, maawa ko. I'm thinking of the next generation. What would be in store for them? One is, we have so many fronts to destroy. We have the Communist Party of the Philippines. Good that we were able to talk to the Maguindanao, pati yung, well, of course, sumama na rin ang Maranao. Alam mo,